make it seem like it's been ages. And tomorrow's sun we're building a scrape the sky. I love this country dearly, I can feel the ladder clearly, but I never thought I'd be alone to try. Once I was outside at the station, selling red and white carnations. We were still alone, my wife and I. Before we married, saved my money, brought my dear wife over. Now I work to bring my family stateside. But off the boat they stayed a while and scattered across the coast. Once a year I'll see them for a week or so at most. I should go up, take a walk, 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 take a walk. Practice isn't perfect, but the market cuts a loss. I remind myself that times could be much worse. My wife won't ask me questions, there's not so much to ask, and she'll never flaunt around in an empty purse. Once my mother-in-law came just to stay a couple nights, and decided she would stay the rest of her life. I watch my little children play some board game in the kitchen, and I sit and pray they never feel my strife. But then my partner called to say the pension funds were gone. He made some bad investments, now the accounts are overdrawn. I took a walk, take 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 a walk. Honey, it's your son, I think I borrowed just too much. We had taxes, we had bills, we had a lifestyle of fun. And tonight I swear I'll come home and we'll make love like we're young. And tomorrow you'll cook dinner for the neighbors and your kids. We can rip apart those socialists and all their damn taxes. We'll see, I am